Almost went in the dirty sink. Ah! What you doing? What are you doing? Ah! Boop.
Oh my god.
Ah!
I almost got it.
Oh.
Oh my god, yeah, almost fine. Look at that.
Tink.
Oh my god, I got it.
Booty, na na na, shake a booty, na na na, shake a booty, na na na, shake a booty, na na na. What is that bass? Shake a booty, na na na, shake a booty, na na na. Now, does your person have white hair?
No. Does yours have black hair?
No. Does yours have blonde hair?
Does yours have brown hair?
Nope. Who'd you have?
Jacob. That's a missing. Your hair looks like this, like mine, but your hair is white. It looks like blonde. It's you, Elsa now.
I'm Elsa.
Yeah, but she. Oh yeah, she has roots. She does. She's the exact same.
I like you.
I love you too. I like it. What does it say?
Lots of words. Your hair's all wet.
Yeah, I know. No. We have under eyelashes, and like we have eyelashes under here.
Yeah.
And up here because that's how our eyeballs go.
What? That's how they what?
Go. I made the. Ew. Ew, why didn't you kiss my neck?
It's your nose.
Right here.
This is wet. I licked your nose.
Mia says summer baby.
Who?
Mia.
Mia Sangria.
It's only Mia.
Why do your nails grow so fast?
I don't know.
I just cut them.
I just cut them. Yeah. Let me show you my finger.
Is it just me? Or does your kitchen table never stay clean? Like, look at this. Never. It never. I'm over it. And we're also down one chair because the one chair broke. So that's a whole other thing. I learned something new today, guys. Okay, so I vape. I have not had a cigarette since October 28th. That's crazy for me. But anyways, so today I was like trying to take a hit of it and it tastes like garbage. Like straight garbage. Like burnt yuckiness, okay? And so I cleaned it and I did all the things that you're supposed to do. And I was like, why does it taste like garbage? It wasn't dead, nothing. So I post online and everyone's like, well, your coil's probably dead. And I'm like, I just changed the coil last week. Like, why? Did you guys know that you're supposed to, like, prep it? I did not know that you're supposed to prep the coil. Like, you put, like, a little bit of the juice in it. like in the top of it, and then you put it in your pod. Yeah, I didn't know that. So I had to wait until, I think my sister got here at 7 p.m. So mind you, this happened before 10 a.m. I had to wait till 7 p.m. for my sister to buy me coils. So she got me a pack of coils. Freaking $21. And look at these. They come like they're pills. Like, do you see this? They come like they're in pills. And when you have to like pop them out like a pill and everything. Which is weird to me because when I got it, this comes in a kit. This is the Nord smock. And yeah, it comes in like these. And like I was saying, you have to prep it. So in that little hole, you put like a little bit of the vape juice. Which currently I am smoking this. I go between this and a blue raspberry flavored. But anyways, yeah. I did not know that you needed to prep them. At all. And guess what? Switching the coil and prepping it tastes so much better. I'm very proud that I know this life tip now. But the kids are in bed. I'm doing some homework, trying to get like ahead of schedule in my class. Because I'm in one class right now. I start my other 4 on the 13th of January. And for tomorrow's Vlogmas, there will be a clean with me.